Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title is the Synthetic ID Card Image Generation for the Improving Presentation Attack Detection. This is our abstract. Nowadays it is becoming more and more usual to use the internet services for tasks that previously needed a physical presence. Numerous procedures from banking operation to visa applications have been digitalized and now demand a remote biometric user authentication, particularly in the wake of epidemic situations. On the negative side, some persons seek to use their forged passwords and ID cards to interrupt the regular operation for the remote system for their own financial gain. In the literature, deep learning approaches to detecting these scams have been discussed. However, it is difficult to create the dataset with the necessary number of samples for the deep neural network training because of the privacy issues and delicate nature of the personal identity documents. This project main objective is to generate ID card for the verification purpose and also download it for the future reference and also implement the photo of the patient, prepare it immediately for the verification purpose. This process is generally a simple and easy effective process for the generation of the ID code using Python. This is our objective. Enhance the ID generation with the user details. Implement the ID code innovation style of printing. Enhance the performance analysis. This is our system architecture. From the dataset, we want to pre-process it and generate one image. Draw the ID shape in the image. Enter data in the text area. It is in the streamlit form. Get the data from the user, collect it in the user database and generate the ID and download it. This is a flow. From the data set, we want to select one image and pre-process it and generate the image. Draw the ID shape in that image. Enter the data in the text areas. User get the data. After getting the data, we want to generate the ID and download it. Case diagram. From the user, first select it and pre-process it. Generate the image shape and ID shape, draw it and enter the data, generate the ID. Here architecture. From the start and load data, select the data, pre-process it and generate it and enter the ID and then data entered by the user and generate the data. Sequence diagram. 4 sequences we have there. From the starting, pre-processing, generation and download. After starting, select data and load it. In pre-processing, we want to pre-process all the data and generate one image shape. Draw the ID shape in that image. Enter the data in the text area and after generation, ID will be downloaded. After executing our code, our main page will appear like this. This is deployed by the Streamlit. This is like a form. First of all, we want to select photo. And enter the details. After entering all the details, submit it and download it. This is what we generated in our coding. This is a photo and all the details are displayed as a 180 images.